Alfred Jan Maksymilian Kowalski was born October 11, 1849, died February 16, 1915. He was a Polish painter and representative of the Munich School. He painted landscapes, generic and historical scenes. After his journey to Africa in 1903, he also undertook oriental themes. His works were sold mostly on the German market, and many of them ended in private collections in Germany and the United States. Some of his paintings can be seen in collections of Polish museums. Kowalski's Lone Wolf was the most famous and one of his most reproduced paintings, which gained great popularity especially in the United States.